Hey guys, let's get right into it. You gently take off the water container. This is the water container of this machine. Take it to the tap or pour in your water. Any of the water can do. This is a clean tap water. So I just run in some water into this water container about this size. You can fill it up if you want. There is a button close to the water area. Make sure you turn it on. This is what will help the water boil because you need your coffee hot. Notice there are two buttons blinking right now. One is a smaller mug and then the other is a bigger mug. So those are the pictures on these buttons. They will blink for some time. You can wait it out. It doesn't take long, less than 3 minutes or less than 2 minutes, and it starts blinking. While this is blinking, it is getting the water ready. This is water for your coffee. It has to boil, so it is just getting it ready. I just wait. You can wait, and then it stops blinking. You see, this is a smaller mug on it, and this is a bigger mug on it. So I have to get the coffee pot. This is a pot of coffee, and then you have to throw it into this machine. Just gently lift this part up. You can see when we move closer, you can see the shape is just here. You have this shape of this coffee pot. Slightly throw it in, and then that's just it. Just throw it in and you cover it. The cover isn't so free, it's a bit stiff, but that's so easy to operate. Then I have my mug. I place it under the tap, and then I press the button. I press the smaller mug button. With this, the machine knows that this is a smaller mug, so it runs in your coffee gently, assuming this is a smaller mug. So in case you need more, what you have to do is you keep pressing the buttons. So it runs a little and it stops. When it stops, it assumes your mug is full, or if it's a smaller mug, it should be full. But if you need more, you go ahead and press the button. This is just what is going on right now. I keep pressing the buttons to show you that you can fill up your mug or your smaller mug, and then you can have a good coffee. This coffee is properly brewed. I like this Nespresso machine. This is the type of machine you find in most hotels, and it's just a good quality. And then I keep pressing for it to get full, and then this is what I have right about now. Guys, can you see it? It is well brewed. If you made it to this point, kindly subscribe to my channel. On this channel we do all food. It's all food here. And then this is what we have. This is the smaller mug coffee. Then I will show you what you can do if it is a bigger mug. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. It is well detailed. So this is what we have. Then for a bigger mug, I will show you what to do. You can see here I have two mugs, a smaller mug and a slightly bigger mug. So to use the bigger mug, you slightly take this up. Look at it. Just slightly take it up and then put it right under, and then press the bigger button. Remember, there are two buttons, the smaller mug button and the bigger mug button, and then it runs into it. That's just it. So to take off the coffee pot, just turn this up, pull it up, and then the coffee pot moves down. It slides down into the rack. And to take it out, you gently pull this, and then the coffee pot is out. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more food related content.